In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into StayFree's daily and weekly reports and show you how to use them to manage your screen time and become more productive. If you're struggling to keep track of your phone usage or need a little help staying focused, this feature is a game changer. So, StayFree is a great app for tracking your screen time and limiting distractions, but one of the most powerful features it offers is its detailed daily and weekly usage reports. These reports show you exactly how much time you're spending on each app and what habits you may need to change in order to improve your productivity. So let's jump right in and explore how to view these reports and how they can help you manage your time better. So first, open the StayFree app. If you don't have it installed, go to the Play Store and download it. Once you've opened the app, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where you can see a quick overview of your phone's usage. But today, we're going to focus on the Reports section tab, which is this little one where it says Today up in the top right corner in purple. So as you can see, I've got a few different options. I've got today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 14 days, last 28 days, and then we can also choose a specific time and date period. So just to show you what this looks like. So as you can see today, this is my usage. So I was in the car and using my maps. So that is absolutely correct, with Google Maps showing up how much I have used today. And then I can get a breakdown basically of what I've used. Now, what you can do is you can change the layout and the display of these stats just by tapping on the little chart icons here, just so you can view it the way that you like it. Now, in purple, where it says total usage, 2 hours and 53 minutes, 43 seconds, I can go in here again and then I can get a more in-depth breakdown. So I can see that is my full today's usage, how many sessions today. So basically this is what I have opened up so far today on my phone. And then daily average usage, show all stats, so on and so on. We can also go to insights in our total usage. And this tells me how many times I've unlocked my phone and at what time. And it just gives a more in-depth look at basically how you are using your phone. So that's great that we can do that from the main My Usage display. But to get a better idea of what's going on, it's better to look at trends and track it over a certain amount of days to see what way you are using your phone. So within the last 14 days, I have done a lot of traveling. So I have used Google Maps a lot, more than what I would usually use it. But here I can see then my top hitting apps and how often I would use them. So that's a great way of tracking basically what you're doing on your phone. I can go back again and click on the last 28 days. Okay, so what I can do from this same screen is, say for example, Google Maps. Now that's something that I'm not going to want to limit, so I'm not going to go into that. But let's say Facebook. We can now add a usage limit. So basically, if we tap on this, we can, have we selected the app? We just need to select the app here. Facebook. We can block permanently, block on a schedule. So like if I want to block this a certain time, I could do that. Or we could set a daily usage limit that basically gives me a notification if I have went over the time limit for using Facebook. This is a great way of basically making sure that you are staying productive on your phone and not getting too distracted. And that's basically how to check the reports section within the StayFree app.